Why stay in prison when the door is wide open? This is a quote from Rumi. I will repeat it. Why stay in prison when the door is wide open? Hello, happy people. I'm Helen from youmeandhappiness.com. Let's get right to it. I'm going to give you 6 reasons why I love Mondays. Number 1, my mentor takes weekends off. So when Monday comes, I'm like, yes, I can reach out to him and make sure that I'm still on track. Second reason why I love Mondays. I don't know if you can hear outside, it's quite a hustle and a bustle going on. Liveliness. I love this about Mondays, when things come alive, because on a Sunday, it gets a bit quiet, things are a bit slow, you feeling a bit slow, getting almost this like Sunday afternoon blues coming because it's so quiet, might have taken a nap. But that's like on the verge of depression time, Sunday afternoons. When Monday comes and I can hear like the honking of the cars and people are going to work and like loving it, absolutely love it. Then the third thing is Mondays are my application day. It's my application day. In other words, whatever great ideas I had over the weekend, I can apply on a Monday. Or I can put like the systems in place to reach my goals. That's another reason why I love Monday. And then the last 2 reasons are quite personal, but the one is on a Monday, it's like my liberty day. Because I love working on weekends, when Monday comes, then I can do what I want. I don't have to work on a Monday because I've worked on the weekend. So that's my liberty day. If I don't want to work, I don't have to work, but I usually work. But it's just like my free day, my liberty day. And then Mondays is like a completely fresh start. I've always seen the days of the week like this. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Saturday, Sunday, and then it comes up like, so Monday to Friday is like a straight line. Since I've been a child, I've been seeing it like in my mind like this. So for me, Monday is like first day of spring, completely fresh start. And I love that feeling about a Monday. It just has this feeling of potential and the sky is the limit for me on a Monday. Happy people, those are my 6 reasons why I love Mondays. I will end this video off with Rumi's quote again. Why stay in prison when the door is wide open? Think about it. Think about it. I hope I've changed your perception a little bit. Until next time, happy people, be happy, be free, and love your beautiful self.